Hello friends, I welcome you all to yet another video of stock analysis for long-term holding. As I always say, before we invest in any company, we need to have a deep understanding of what kind of business are they doing, what kind of services are they providing, and their future goals and their ongoing projects are. So there is a disclaimer in this video. I'm not a SEBI registered professional. So before you invest in any company, please do your own research as well. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the company called Acrysil. Acrysil Ltd is one the leading manufacturer and exporter of composite quartz granite kitchen sinks in India. This company is engaged in the manufacture and sale of kitchen sinks in India. They offer granite kitchen sinks and stainless kitchen sinks. They market their sinks under the brand name Carysil. This Carysil produce stainless steel sinks again and faucets, food waste disposal units, and kitchen appliances such as hobs, cooktops, ovens, wine chillers, and dishwashers. You can find this product in 6 continents actually. And also, you can easily discover the vast range of Carousel products in over 58 countries through their established and ever expanding network of retail partners all over the world, including North and South America, UK, Canada, China, Germany, France, and through their subsidiaries in the UK, Germany, and UAE, Dubai. So, this is just a short glimpse about the company profile. Let's check their fundamentals in moneycontrol.com. All right. So here I'm in the money control page. Acrysil. Its current market price is 329 rupees, and their 52 weeks range. If we check, 181 was the 52-week low, and their 52-week high was 393 rupees. And let's check this SWOT analysis. It's showing excellent report here. 15 strengths this company is having, two weaknesses, opportunities 3, and threats 0. That's awesome, I would say. And let's quickly check their strengths. There are 15 strengths are there. First is like raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. Company with high TTM EPS growth, bullish harami bullish reversal, and effectively using shareholders fund, return on equity ROE improving since last 2 years, efficient in managing assets to generate profits, ROA improving since last 2 years. That is a good sign actually. Growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter, and a growth in quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin year on year, increasing profits every quarter for the past 3 quarters. This is also a good news actually. Their profits is consecutively increasing for the last 3 quarters, and increasing revenue is also increasing for the every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Strong cash generating ability from core business, improving cash flow from operations for last 2 years, and company able to generate net cash, improving net cash flow for last 2 years, annual net profits improving for last 2 years, company with zero promoter pledge, and their FIIs and FPIs or institutions increasing their shareholding. This is another good news here, that foreign investors and domestic investors are investing in this company. Companies with raising net profit margins quarterly as well as TTM basis, right? Okay, and let's check their weaknesses. It has only two weaknesses. One is companies with growing cost year on year for long term projects, and mutual funds decreased this shareholding last quarter. That is the only a slight negative here. Mutual funds decreased their holding in the last quarter alone. And let's check their opportunities. it has a positive breakout first resistance, high recovery from 52-week low, and insiders bought stock. That is the three opportunities, and it has a zero threads. And in money control essentials, they are giving it 81% pass. So as I always say, anything above 70% is a good call, and anything above 80% uh, is like outstanding performance they are doing. And also another thing is like, let's not go with the current trend. It's in money control technicals, in current trend it's showing bearish. All right, if you're a long term investor, you shouldn't go with the current trend. You should always check their balance sheet, and how they performed in the last few years and last few quarters, how they performed. Like that only we need to see. So let's check their uh, essentials. Okay, in financials, it's showing company consistently making profits. Yes. Are earnings improving over years? Yes. Does a recent earnings show strength? That is also yes. Are profit margins stable? No. The profit margins are not stable. And does company consistently making money for its shareholders? No. So this is the only drawback I'm seeing here. This company is not making money for its shareholders consistently. And another positive news is company is running with low debt. This company is running with low debt. And is company able to meet its working capital requirements? Yes. Company generates cash from operations. That is also yes. This promoter holds adequate holding in company? Yes. Promoters are holding. And a company with low promoter pledge? Yes. Are institutions investing in the company? Yes. Yeah, institutions are investing in this company. Is company able to, sorry, is company growing above industry median? That is also yes. Are profit margins above industry median? Yes. Efficient in utilizing its asset to generate profits against its peers? That is also yes. And others, if we see no insiders sold stock in last 1 month? No. This company have good price momentum? No. So this company is not having good price momentum. That is a, a slight negative point here. All right. Let's check their market capital. So their current market capital is 879 crore, and their face value is 2, and their book value per share is 60 rupees. So their book value is 60 rupees, and the stock currently running with 329 rupees. So it's kind of huge number. And if we check the dividend yield, it is a 0.36. Let's check their Petrosky score. Petrosky score, it's showing 7. Okay, which indicates a strong financials. As I always say, anything between 7 to 9 in Petrovsky score is an excellent financials. Actually, they are running with excellent financials, and their last 3 years CAGR growth is also like, revenue wise they've made 15.3%, net profit is 44.9%, and their operating profit is 21.3%. That's a good thing. All right, so let's check their balance sheet and their last year profits and their revenues. So here I'm going with the annually report. Quarterly report looks good. Let's check their annual report. As per revenue wise, if we check their last 5 years revenue, there is a good improvement actually. In 2016, they made 173 crore revenue, and 2018 they made 196 crore, and 2019 they made 251 crore, and 2020 they made 276 crore, which is an excellent number, I would say. And the net profit is also in 2016 they made only 12 crore, and 2017 there was a dip, 7 crore only they made a profit actually. And in 2018 they made a profit of 12 crore, and 2019 they made 17 crore profit, and in let's check their net profit. Um, it is okay. So the net profit, if we check uh, annually, the net profit as in good improvement. In 2016, they made 12 crore, and in 2017 they made 7 crore, and in 2018 they made 12 crore, and 2019 it was 17 crore, and 2020, even in the pandemic year, they made 22 crore profit. That's a good growth, actually. And this company is this result shows an uh, excellent update. And let's check their shareholdings. The shareholdings, if we check, promoters are holding 44.04%, let's say 44%, and the public are holding 49%. That indicates like so many investors like us, they are showing interest to this company. And their DIS, domestic institutional investors, are holding 6.66%, and FIIs, foreign institutional investors, are holding 0.03%. Um, so I think foreign institutional investors, they invested in this quarter only, which is Q1 2021 only, like they invested. So that's the reason the number looks very low here. They're investing, the investment percentage looks very low here. And domestic institutional investors, if we check in September 2020, they invested around 1.73%, but in December there is a huge high. They invested around 7.8%, and in March 2021, there is a slight decrease, which is like they decrease. I mean, like they decreased it to 6.66%. And public is also like there's a gradual fluctuation is here, but still this is okay. So I hope I covered some of the important points here. And if you think this video is useful to you, just give it a thumbs up. And please leave a comment if you want me to do analysis about any companies. And I see you all with another interesting video shortly. Till then, this is Kingsley signing off. Thank you.